Do you know, it'd be a really stupid idea? Trying to install macOS Snow Leopard on a Power Mac. Hi everyone. It's been a bit. Anyway, today we're gonna do something very stupid and try to install macOS Snow Leopard on my PowerBook. Hey, you can see the Apple PowerBook G4. So you may say, but Leopard, that was the final copy that was available for PowerPC, and that's correct. However, if I recall, one of the developer previews that they sent out of Snow Leopard was bootable on PowerMac, which is what we're going to be installing today. So if I head over to my other computer, I will show you where it's from. So first of all, you're on the actual screen, and the audio may be from the camera or maybe from the computer. I do not know yet. Anyway, so I'll have this linked in the description. You can obviously search this up, but basically this is the story behind it. And there was a very recent update from I don't know what date. Does it say here? No. But they updated it very recently. So yeah. And then of course it links, you can download it from Macintosh Garden, from right where here. Well, that's the official download. I meant here. This is the link. I will also add this in the description. Basically, this is our download that we want, and it tells us our instructions, how to do it, all that. But we're about to find out if this works. So yeah, I am going to follow these. But first I have to make a USB or partition with this utility. Fun. So let's work on that first. Okay, after reading for like a minute, I decided we are going to, with less glare, basically, what we first have to do is get a bootable, Leopard installation, onto this USB. Then I have to put the image that we need, the restore image, onto this. Then we restore this to the hard drive, and maybe that'll work. So first, I get to install macOS onto a USB. And I hope this is USB 2.0. I'm gonna go check that. It is in fact USB 2.0. So everything is plugged in. I don't know what's currently on this, but I do know is I own 2 copies of Leopard. There's only a slight difference on the cover. I don't know if you can see it. But, they're both retail. One is 5.1 and one's basic 5. I'm going to go with maybe 5.1. I don't really care. Let's go with 5. Okay. So, let's power on the computer. Now the processor in this is good, the RAM is not. I don't have any other RAM for this, so 512 megabytes will be good enough. I'm going to take this out of its sleeve. Oh my god, that's really dark. Brightness. Can y'all? Oh, you can halfway see that. Yeah, that's really dark. Anyway, here we go. I put our disk into the USB drive. Now, I would be using the front one, however, it's a super drive, and it's a bit bent. So, oh my god, this is dark. Can I? No. Okay, we'll just wait then. That's fine. I haven't touched, there's no upgrades in this, so this can be bare metal, no SSD, no upgrade RAM, there's no CPU. And if this doesn't work, we'll probably move over to... Actually, hold on. The iBook actually might have better RAM in it, or more RAM. Hold on. Refresh. I hope I can see that CD drive. I really do. Okay, it's not spitting up. That's fine. I will just... Oh, that's interesting. There's no power coming to it. Huh. Okay, well, I guess super drive it is. Okay. Internal super drive. And while I wait for that, I need to find a flathead screwdriver. Really? It doesn't see it? That's weird. It's just like... Oh, there it is. Okay. Cool. Except for... We're going to first see if the other RAM works. Or actually see how much RAM is in this. Oh, 1 gigabyte. Nice. Okay. We're going to actually put 1.5 gigabytes in this. We're going to make it just a bit better to use. So... honestly, it's just the computer booting, so I'm going to let it sit here for a little bit until it finishes. Oh, well, actually, that was pretty fast. And I still can't adjust this. That's very bothersome. That worked. Why can't I... Okay. Fine. Utilities. Disk utility. Cool. And I still can't change the brightness. Why can't I? Oh, whatever. Okay. Let's... No, we want to do this one. Erase. Partition. 1. Options. Ample partition. That's fine, that's fine. Apply. Partition. It's working. Wait. Restore. Image. Is anything stopping me from just doing that? No. Okay, that's cool. I can just unplug this. Hold on then. I'm going to pause this while I copy the file from my computer to the USB drive. I have made our little USB drive. And... there we go. Now I want to scan. What? What? Oh. Oh, it didn't like this. It doesn't know the file system. That's fine. I'll erase it then. Okay, and I wait for that. Whoops, I guess I'll do this again. Let's try this again. So, I just wrote to it. Move you down. And... aha! There we go, nice. Store... image... there we go. PowerPC image. Open to our PhysUC drive. No, I forgot we have to. Oops. To Macintosh. Erase. Restore. I'm gonna have to verify this. Hold on. Wait for that first. Huzzah! It finished. Now, restore. Erase. Now you just wait. Let me... should I film this? Let's see how long it'll take. Oh, I actually... I could. Yeah, I'll film it. Okay, so now we wait. Oops. Oh, hey, what do you know? It's done. I don't... do I restart? Maybe. Okay. Let's see. Hey, well, what do you know? It says it's bootable. No? Okay, whatever. Maybe the keyboard's dead. Well, that's weird, no, because the thingamabobs worked. Interesting. Maybe I'll take a look at that. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, it's thinking. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay. Odd, I can't eject it. Yeah, that's weird. I'm holding down the eject key. I guess it is thinking. Okay, let's wait a little bit longer then. I see it works. Huh. Strange. Okay. Mail in. And let's boot. No kernel panic, that's cool. Oh. Oh my god, it actually worked. I don't believe it. Huh. Actually, I do have internet. Hold on. Tangle it. Different. I should be able to do LAN. I don't have an app. I don't do that. I don't need to register. Huh, yeah, it does work. That's really weird. Yeah, now it works here. Interesting. I don't need a password hint. -4 or 5. Well, Eastern, yeah. And okay, let's see. Is it? Oh, that's. So we're gonna say this is not wrong. This is the wrong architecture. Or oh, it just doesn't work. Okay, that's cool. Well. Huh. Okay, that was way too easy. What do you mean I'm not connected to the internet? Look. Oh well. Fortunately, that internet can't really do very much. But, hey, we did the impossible. We got Snow Leopard running on PowerPC. And I'd say that's pretty cool in itself. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. That's so stupid. 2011. That's not when this came out. Yeah. Snow Leopard came out in 09. Whatever. That's the point. The point is, we did this. And that's pretty cool. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one, whenever that is. And I believe it'll involve networking, which is what we couldn't do in this video. Fun. So maybe you'll keep poking at the network. And yeah. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.